Right, this is just a test to see if my GoPro is working, the audio, so I'm just going to blip the throttle a few times. See how that come out. We'll take it for a short ride. We'll see if it's made any difference at all. I'm just hoping. I've watched a little few clips on YouTube, the channel that fixes everything, and hopefully this has done the trick. It's involved just doing a few settings and just a few little alterations. So this is just a very short clip to see if you're picking the audio up. I got the visor open at the moment, and I'll close it up, see if it makes much difference. There we go, got the visor closed now. Beautiful sunny day, already been out for a really nice ride today. Oh man, nearly ran over there. And I'm just going to do a quick little circle back home, and keeping everything crossed. Can't really get up to much speed now because there is a 30-mile-an-hour speed limit. Let's give it a little blip before the camera. Oh, it's a beautiful day, gorgeous. Right, back down to 30 miles an hour. So here goes, fingers crossed. Hope you enjoyed my previous video. I enjoyed making it with their Honda ST1300 Pan-European. And I've got a really nice one coming up, which is again motorcycle related, riding another bike, and it's quite personal to me. You'll find out why in a very soon up and coming video. So you're probably recognizing some of the scenery, those who follow my videos. This is my local town. Probably seen me toodling through here a few times. I'll be taking a left and then we'll be back home. School time, loads of people parked on the road, too lazy to walk their kids to school 500 yards. I got a funny feeling this car's gonna stop right outside my house because someone's having a driving lesson there, my neighbour. Oh, I was wrong. They're going to someone else's house. Oh, steady on, wait there, Jaguar. And here we are. Might recognize the bright, ooh, steady on, might recognize the bright yellow van. That means I'm home. Right, has this audio come out? If so, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in a video very soon. Thank you very much.